Alright, what's going on guys? So I hope you're all having a fantastic day. And today on the Twin Turbo 350Z project, we are going to be doing some minor cleaning under the engine bay, pulling this front bumper off, and trying to get these headlights to work. Thank you for tuning in. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's obviously, dirt everywhere. I'm just going to work around that for right now because I haven't cleaned the engine bay yet. But to start off, I'm just going to pull off all of these fasteners that are on here. Closer. You can see there are two missing on the left side, simply because there was an aftermarket bumper on here, but they decided to take it off and put the factory one on there. So up next to pull the bumper out are two little screws up here on each side, so I'll go ahead and pull those out. Alright, so next step is removing the headlights, because this is actually what we're going to try to fix today. Alright, so everything is now pulled off of the front. The headlights just have the main headlight connector that just needs to be unplugged. I'm just going to get a hand from someone later. So until then, I'm just going to go ahead and pull all this debris out from up top and just start to clean up the engine bay a little bit. Alright, and as you can see, the engine bay already looks 10 times better simply by getting any of the big debris off of everything up here. Now, the best thing to do, as you can see, is if you get it by hand, because it just saves a lot of time when vacuuming. So now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum off a little bit of the dirt that's still on top of the engine, and then we'll continue on. Alright, and as you can see, the engine bay is on its way to looking just like it did when it was brand new. And while I already have access to it, I'm just going to lubricate all the mechanisms that open the hood. And now it closes with ease. So as I was just cleaning up everything, I just found, I don't know if you can see this on camera, I think you can. There's a bolt stuck underneath the windshield wipers. I'm pretty sure that's what was causing a really bad squeak on the drive home when it was downpouring. So I'm gonna unscrew that and try to get it out. That was easy. Crazy thing is that that's not all that's stuck in there. There's also a lot of dirt. All right. Let's check it again. Alright, and just like that, we have wiper blades that now come up. They don't hit the hood, and they should move smoothly. So basically, to update you, the headlights are still in. I've yet to unplug those because I got pretty frustrated trying to pull them out, so I went ahead and got some other work done while I could. So basically, I just pulled all the debris out of the engine bay, covered up the air filter, and then just did a very light rinse just to get any of the dust and dirt out of it. So over here, I got that screw out just like I showed you, as well as I pulled this entire whatever you want to call this, I'm not really sure. I just pulled all these bolts off, pulled it out, and got it so it was tight to the windshield, so that way it's basically weather sealed, because before there were like a couple of gaps and it was sticking up. Other than that, I just rinsed off the rest of the car as well, started cleaning underneath, and here you can actually get a good shot of how low the tread is on this tire. So if I, here, give you guys good viewing. So this is a tire that I need to replace. You can see there's almost no tread on it. And I come over here, look at all that tread. So that's an obvious thing that's going to need to be fixed. So other than that, I covered everything. I did the engine bay, obviously rinsed it off. And I also got all the door jambs as well, letting those dry out, as well as the engine bay. Got underneath the hatch. And it's actually starting to come together pretty well. Now, it's obviously not clean yet. I didn't even use soap, I didn't do anything. I just used a simple pressure washer to remove everything. And so this is where I'm at right now. Alright guys, so that just about wraps up this episode. I hope you enjoyed this little update of cleaning, adjusting a few things, and kind of preparing for the next step for this project. If you did enjoy this video, please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already so you could follow this incredible build. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.